After exercise, your body not only loses a lot of water, but also electrolytes are quietly lost with sweat, affecting your recovery and performance. Coconut water, a natural source of electrolytes, low in sugar and rich in potassium, suitable for daily hydration and after light exercise. Electrolyte drinks. The drink contains electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which help restore minerals lost during exercise and maintain water balance in the body. Fruit and vegetable drinks. Eating high-water foods such as watermelon, cucumber, and orange can not only replenish water but also provide necessary nutrients. Milk's high water content and electrolytes such as calcium, potassium, and sodium help replace fluids and electrolytes lost through sweating during exercise. Sports drinks are rich in carbohydrates and can quickly provide energy to the body. They are suitable for replenishing water after long-term high-intensity training. But, do you know how to replenish scientifically after training? It is recommended that you use the Replenishes hydration biosensor during training. It can track your sweat data such as water and electrolyte loss. In addition, it provides you with personalized replenishment suggestions. Improve your athletic performance now.